Hi everyone, I'm Amara from Amara.com. In the summer, we love eating this pie. During the hot season, I prefer recipes without meat and without eggs, lighter, healthier, and of course delicious. This pie has no meat, no eggs, and no complicated dough. It's soft, not hard, and stays fresh even after cooling. Nutritious, healthy, and full of flavor. Let's see how it's made. Start by preparing 400 g of flour and adding 3 g of salt. Mix well to balance the dough. Now, divide the flour into two parts. To the first half, add 230 g of water and mix. To the second half, add 90 g of cold water and mix. Combine both mixtures and knead until you get a slightly rough dough. If it sticks, just rub a little oil on your hands. Knead again and roll it out into a long strip. Cut into equal pieces, then roll each one again. Place the pieces into a lightly oiled pan, brush with a bit more oil, cover with plastic wrap, and let the dough rest for 20 minutes. Now, let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, add some softened butter, 2 cups of chopped fruit, and mix well. Cut the older crusts from the bread or dough you're using and place everything into a large bowl. Add a touch of oil, a pinch of salt, and mix until smooth. This simple filling doesn't need many ingredients. It's tasty as it is. Let's go back to the dough. Look how stretchy it is. That's exactly what we want. Coat with a little olive oil, press it out with your hands, and spread it evenly. Press the edges so the base doesn't puff up too much, then flatten it slightly. And there you go, our dough is ready for cooking. Heat a pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Place the flatbreads one by one, leaving space between them. Since the dough is thin, cook over medium heat until golden. Flip and cook the other side until golden and crisp. Look at that, beautifully golden breads, shiny on the outside, soft on the inside, and they won't harden after cooling. We made 3 flatbreads today, all without yeast, without eggs, and without heavy dough. Simple, light, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell icon for more recipes, and check out my profile for more cooking tips. See you in the next video.